when you rate yourself, there's two questions. Every time they brought up these different areas that they're training on, there's two questions that come up. Rate yourself from a 1 to 10 in all 6 categories. And the way that you're going to rate yourself, again, is not about your knowledge. It's about what you can prove. What is evident? Do you know it and understand it enough to be able to teach it? So have I learned it is the first metric of how you're scaling yourself and rating yourself. Can I teach it to someone? And then can they teach it to someone else? So when I rate myself on a scale of 1 to 10 in all 6 of these categories, how would I scale myself at having learned it, having taught it, and then having taught it to someone to then go teach to someone else? Because that is application, that is a system, right? And then that second question that you want to ask yourself is, what are the 3 biggest challenges or the obstacles